Here we are in the paid version of the product research method. Now, the only reason I'm saying it's the paid version is because you actually have to pay for the software called Seller Pulse. Now, I'm not exactly sure how many of you guys know about this software called Seller Pulse, but I'm assuming it's a very small amount of you because I didn't really know about it either. I never really saw this anywhere on YouTube. None of my friends have ever like talked about this. And the only way I found out about this software was through my supplier who told me about it. And he said the only people in China are really using it. So I don't think many people know about this. But in my opinion, I think this might be one of the best product research softwares out there. Now, we don't even have an affiliate link for this software yet. But if we do get approved for the affiliate program, then the link will be somewhere in the description here or somewhere you guys can find it pretty easily. And we would appreciate it if you use the link. Otherwise, that's completely fine too. I'm only showing this to you guys because I think it's actually the best, literally the best tool out there when it comes to researching products. And I'm about to show you exactly why. So over here, we're on the main dashboard, and there's only really one thing you have to look at, which is you sort it by dropshippers. So go to the dashboard, go to targeted search, scroll down here to by dropshippers and click on this. And basically what this is going to do is allow you to see all these different products that other dropshippers are selling and see the current number of orders being moved by dropshippers. So if you want to find a dropshipping product real quick that's selling very well, all you got to do is click on select all over here. So now you can sort it by all the categories. Now, if you're interested in a specific niche, like you think you want to sell watches or you want to sell women's clothing or you want to sell some sort of jewelry, then just turn this off, click on that and search it by jewelry. But for me, I don't really care what niche I'm selling in. I'm just trying to sell a successful product. So I'm going to click on select all. And then for the past 7 days, I'm going to say a minimum of 500 orders on this product. So now this tool is going to go out there and find all the products that dropshippers are currently selling from Aliexpress that are moving at least 500 units every week. So then click on search. And this could take a bit of time just because we're scoping through all the different categories. And in each of these categories, there's hundreds of thousands of products. And this tool is basically going out there and digging through the database and finding all the products with at least 500 sales in the past week. So this could take a few minutes. I'll be back when it finishes. Oh, actually, it's already done. So perfect. So we're over here. It looks like all of these products are in the past 7 days have sold 500 units, as you can see right over here. Now, all we have to do is kind of look through these products and see if there's anything that we might be interested in. So there's a lot of different products on here. Some of them I don't even really know what they are. So like stuff like this, I'm kind of just going to skip over it because I have no idea what they are. I don't even have a clue as to how I'm going to market it. So if you don't really have any idea how to market a product, I really wouldn't recommend it because it's going to require you to do a lot of research to figure out how to sell the product. Now, when it comes to a product like this, it might be a lot easier to sell and market because you know that people who have cars need this FM transmitter if you don't have Bluetooth on your car to listen to music from your phone. So then this might be an easier product to market. And as you can see over here, it's moving 500 units every week by some sort of dropshipper, and it's $10 a unit, which means you could potentially sell this for $30 because it's an electrical product and people don't really know the exact value of electrical appliances. So you can always mark it up by 300%, maybe even 400%, and that should work just fine. Give me a second, I'm pretty thirsty. Now, if you click right here, it's going to show you some dropshippers that are selling it. Now, I think this number or whatever this is, it's a bit off. The software isn't perfect, so just be aware of that. But let's click on this and pop open the actual AliExpress link and see how it's doing. So over here, 2,500 orders. Let's scroll down to the reviews. And it looks like most of the reviews are really solid, 80% 5 stars, 13% 4 stars. And overall, this is just looking like a solid product. Price is only $10 as well, and it's free shipping via AliExpress standard shipping. So that looks like a pretty solid product. It's moving very good volume. And let's take a look at one more thing right here, which is this little store icon. Now, this is going to show you all the different drop shippers currently selling this product. and give it a little bit of time to populate. This is taking quite a bit of time, so hopefully we can edit this part out and speed it forward. All right. So finally, after waiting a long time, you can see that this page is finally loaded up. And let's just take a look through and see what kind of sites are currently selling. And judging by these sites, it does not look like a lot of these are dropshippers that are advertising via Facebook. So like this store over here, this store over here. This is just Aliexpress links. I just looked through a couple more. Okay, that's not that great. And that is also just an Aliexpress link for its own page. So honestly, at this point, then I would not recommend you to try this product out just because there's actually not that many dropshippers selling it. Like I said, this tool is not 100% perfect. Sometimes there are some failures to the product. So make sure you double check everything before you decide to actually sell it, because although the data here is nice to see, you do have to double check it and make sure it's accurate, because it will make some mistakes because it does have to go through millions of products. So not everything is going to be perfect, but most of the times it is going to find very good products. So let's keep going down this list and find some more products that we could potentially sell. So going down this list, we have this vinyl car wrap. I have no idea what this is, so I'm going to skip it. Don't know what that is. Skip, 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 skip. It looks like a lot of these products currently selling a lot of. It's like I don't really have any clue as to what they are. So I'm going to continue to keep skipping forward and try to find something with good margins that I kind of know what it is. Let's see. Electric face eyebrow scissor. Yeah, so I think this one, it could be almost kind of good. But the problem is you're not going to be able to sell this for over 20 bucks. Now, you can definitely get a product to work that's below $30, but it's just going to be very hard for you to maintain a good net profit margin because of the way that Facebook fluctuates. As in, your cost per purchase will be fluctuating day in and day out. And if you're selling a product for $20 with a very low profit margin, if your Facebook ads decide to go haywire for one day, then you might even lose money that day. But by having a product that's $30, you give yourself a little bit more leeway in case Facebook does go haywire and you end up making not as big of a margin that day. You'll be able to cover that up because you're selling a product at a higher price. So I'm not going to sell this. I'm just looking for a product here that I could potentially sell for at least around 30 bucks that I know what the product is and I would be able to market it relatively easily. And the good thing here is that all of these products here are very popular. They're trending. Everybody wants these products. So it's going to be relatively easy to sell it once I can find a product to sell. So I do see this little nail lamp 36-piece manicure gel nail dryer. Now, I'm not an expert when it comes to manicures, but as you can see right here, it's $365 a piece. It has moved 500 units in the past. It is an electrical product, which means you can definitely get big margins on the product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here to see what the product actually is. And let's take a look at what this is. It looks like it's some sort of tool for manicures, which means I'll have to do some research as to how to market the product. But judging by the price over here, it looks very reasonable, as in it's under $10, which means I should be able to sell this for around 30 bucks. The reviews on this product are fantastic, 6,900 reviews. The number of orders on this is fantastic, 7,600 orders, which means people really, really want this product. Like, I don't know what this is yet. All I know is that it's for nails, but there's a lot of orders. There's a lot of reviews. They're mostly positive, 86% 5 stars, 9% 4 stars. So the product must be pretty good. It's got a very high demand. Now, all I have to do is really come up with the marketing. So let's go into how I would do some research as to how I'm going to market this product now. So the next thing you want to do is click on this. Let's take a look and see if how many orders some of these dropshippers are selling. So some of these guys are selling a decent amount, and it looks like it's a pretty decent product to sell at the moment. So let's close this out and let's go into the stores and start analyzing other people's stores on this product now. So give it a second for this to load up. It could take like 5 minutes again. All right, perfect. So it just loaded up. As you can see, there's a lot of stores selling this product. We got some people on Amazon trying to sell it, on eBay trying to sell it, on Shopify trying to sell it. Let's just open up some of these people's stores and see how they have their pages laid out. Okay. So this was a pretty ugly page, I would say. The overall website doesn't look that appealing. I have no idea how well they're doing, but they do have some nice graphical elements here. I'm sure these aren't all their elements. I'm sure they got a lot of these from AliExpress. Yep, they did. So they got most of these from, I think they literally just imported the AliExpress listing, as you can see. But the good news is there's a lot of graphic elements that we could take from AliExpress here because as you can see over here, we have a lot of very good looking images. So you because you have so many graphical assets, you can make a very clean looking website using all these free images from AliExpress. So there's this store right here. Let's close out of this one. Let's take a look over here. UV LED nail lamp, blah, blah, blah. Now, the reason why I'm not going to take or pay too much attention to these stores is because they literally just imported a generic listing. They're not really trying to market it. These people don't really have any idea of what they're doing. So I'm not going to really look into their marketing because they're not really doing any marketing, right? So let's close this out. Now, this store, now they know a little bit about marketing. Maybe they know a lot. I don't really know, but at least they changed the name. It says Lampe UV 54 watt. Maybe Lampe, maybe that's in French or something. I'm not really sure, but as you can see, as you can clearly see, they spent some time on the marketing here, put some little badges, put some stuff in French here that I can't really read, a little description, a little GIF about the product, and they're clearly spending some time trying to market the product. So what I'm going to do is translate the page, and I want to start to try and understand how they're trying to sell this product. So it's saying a high-tech device that has been specifically designed to provide you with the nails of your dreams. It turns out to be resistant and very compact. Using LED technology, it consumes little energy. You can use it for 10. So the first thing is I don't really know what this device does. So I'm just trying to understand what it does. And it seems like what this does is it basically dries your hands, or it dries your manicure so that it sticks better, is what I'm guessing. I'm gonna have to see some more videos on maybe on AdSpy to try and sell this product. But anyways, I think this is giving me somewhat of a decent idea of what the product is. Let's move on to the next one. This one didn't really spend much time in terms of marketing. I'm gonna go through a couple more of these and see if I can get any more ideas about the product. So this one I don't really like. This one, the page is unavailable. Now this one over here, it seems like they really spent the time to try and make it a nice one product store. I'm not even sure why all of these are in French. Maybe only people in France are buying these. I have no idea. But I'm pretty sure that if I brought this into the US market or the worldwide market, somebody would buy it, right? So this thing allows you to manicure and pedicure to dry in seconds. Oh, so basically it's a tool that lets you manicure in seconds because it allows your the manicure to dry very fast. So varnishes, semi-permanent gels, and resin. Okay, so I see what the product is now, and I see that there's the specifications for it. So now that I have a good understanding of what the product does, what kind of people will be using it? Basically, people who love to paint their nails and would like to get slightly better looking nails. They would be probably the most interested in this product. Now, I don't really know how many girls paint their nails, but I'm going to assume that most of them do based off of the number of girls I've met. So I'm just going to have to assume that most of them like to paint their nails and that this could potentially be a very hot product based around the order numbers, right? So like I usually make my judgments off of my intuition plus data, and that's what it's telling me right now. So let's take a look at the final store. This one is also in French for some reason. I don't know why they're all in French, but I guess they're all in French. And it's probably the same exact description. So the next thing I want to do now is go into AdSpy and start looking for advertisements or competitor advertisements to get an idea of what kind of marketing angle I could use to sell this product. So let's see. Let's first try to figure out what to look for on AdSpy as to what. Yeah, we gotta first figure out what to look for. So nail lamp. I'm not exactly sure if people are going to call this a nail lamp, but let's go into AdSpy over here and type in nail lamp. Now, before I click on ad filter, I just want to tell you guys that AdSpy is also a paid tool, and this one is fucking expensive. So if you guys don't have the money, definitely do not use AdSpy, especially if you're a beginner, because it's going to be a lot of money. But if you do end up using AdSpy and you want to try it out and you want to use it, then we do have an affiliate link that we would appreciate if you used. Otherwise, do not use it. Go with the free methods. Go on Facebook, do the research. Go on YouTube and do the research. Because AdSpy is definitely for more advanced people who are looking to save time and come up with their marketing angles a little bit quicker. But definitely for beginners, it's like you're going to learn a lot more doing the research on your own, looking through all the different types of Facebook videos and YouTube videos versus taking the shortcut with AdSpy. Because all these little tiny things that you do just kind of add up in experience and overall just teach you along the way. So enough of that. I'm going to click on Add to Filter for the nail lamp. It's going to sort this by date, recent on top. So the most recent advertisements will basically be up here. And as you can see right here, we're already starting to see advertisements for this nail lamp. It even tells you what countries this advertisement is coming from. And let's take a look at the video and see what this product does exactly. So it's an easy dry UV LED nail lamp. I see. I see. So yeah, so basically it's just a tool that will let you paint your nails faster. Like you're gonna save some time because your nails will dry quick, right? Versus having to wait for them to dry. Um, so yeah, it's just a tool that's gonna save you some time. Now I think their marketing angle could definitely be a lot better because when it comes to these types of products where you can save your time, it's like getting into the specific details about the technicalities of the product doesn't really do the product justice when it comes to selling. Like 90 seconds or less, simple and comfortable. It's like people already know it's simple and comfortable. You don't have to tell them how easy to use it is because you're already selling a product that's going to save them time. So I feel like it's all unnecessary information that you're telling them, like digital LCD timer and 4 timing options. Like people don't really care that there's 4 timing options or that there's an LCD timer. The only thing they care about is this product is going to make your nails look nice and it's going to dry them quick, which means you get nice looking nails quick. So then the best marketing angle when it would come to selling this product would be a lot of girls who look very happy with their nails done beautifully using this device. And I think that would be the best way to go about trying to sell this product. So let's try it and let's take a look at a couple more videos and see what other people came up with. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I feel like this guy did a little bit better, but what I would have done here is I love the ending side, the ending slide right here where they're showing off the results of these beautiful nails. I love this little slide over here or this video over here. Because it really shows the product in a very cool aspect, and then these are the these are the results that you can get, right? I think what sells the best is the results and the emotions that you can get from the product, and not really the technical aspects of the product, right? Nobody cares that much about whether or not this UV LED nail lamp is 50 watt or 100 watt, right? Nobody even knows what the wattage means. I mean, I don't even know what that means, right? All people care about is what the product does and what they're going to feel and what they can get out of the product, right? So I think that's why this ad didn't actually perform that well. As you can see, there's basically no engagement. They probably weren't able to really scale it. Now, if we can find an advertisement here where somebody was actually able to scale it and sell it successfully, that would be great. But we might have to look around for a long time. And maybe nobody has yet to be or has yet to make this a successful product because their marketing wasn't quite on par, right? So when it comes to products, you have to also understand that there are products out there that are going to be harder to market than others, right? In my opinion, I think that you can literally sell any product in the world if you're good enough at marketing, because you can convince anyone to buy basically anything if you're good enough at marketing. And by this, it's like, and there's an easy example, right? You got like these Gucci t-shirts and they're 200 or 500 bucks. And they're so good at marketing that they can convince you to buy this t-shirt, this blank white t-shirt with the word Gucci on it for 500 bucks. And it only costs them $10 to make. And it's literally just a normal t-shirt with the word Gucci on it, but people are buying it because their marketing is just that good. So just based on this one example alone, you just know that you can sell anything to anyone if you're good enough at marketing. And when it comes to marketing, there are products out there that are a lot easier to sell than others. So if you go on AdSpy and you look around, and you can just tell that everybody out here is having a very difficult time trying to sell this product, and you're a beginner when it comes to marketing, then I wouldn't recommend you to sell this product because it's going to be pretty hard for you to sell. Now, me personally, I might actually give this a shot, but now I'm a little bit worried that if I gave this a shot, all of you guys watching this video are also going to jump on this and start trying to sell the fuck out of this, which could also cause some problems for me. Because what I've realized is, although I talked about product saturation and whatnot in my YouTube videos, and that it's very hard for there to be product saturation because the market size is so big, we've built up such a big following on Virum now that whenever I release a product like the posture brace or the mosquito trapper or any other product in general, it's like now we have hundreds, if not thousands of people hopping on the product, creating the exact same store, ripping my advertisements, taking the exact same copy, taking the exact store layout. And then it's like everyone is running budget to the exact duplicate stores. And that actually causes problems, because the way the Facebook machine learning works is if somebody sees a mosquito trap from a different store, now the machine kind of learns that this person is interested in mosquito devices. And the next advertisement they're going to see is probably going to be from a similar mosquito store selling the same exact device. So one person can be hit with like 3 to 4 different advertisements selling the exact same product on the same day, which could lead to product saturation if there's enough people selling the same shit, as in like hundreds to thousands of people. So even though I told you guys about this product, I might not sell it, or maybe I will sell it. You won't really know until I release the next case study. But anyways, my opinion here is that this product is going to be a bit hard to sell, just based around the AdSpy results. So if you're a beginner, then I wouldn't recommend it. So let's move on to another product that I think might be easier for you guys to sell. So I think that's enough digging around here in the general section over here. Let's move up to the top, or let's go back. Yeah, let's go back to the top over here. And this time, instead of looking at all the categories, let's say that I wanted to let's say I wanted to sell some women's clothing. And in the past 7 days, whatever clothing it is, sold 500 plus units. Let's click on search here and see what pops up. All right, so here we go. So in the past 7 days, we have all these random products over here. This little headband sold 500 units. Now you could sell this hairband, but you definitely need to have an upsell or whatnot, because the AOV is going to be quite low if it's $1, and nobody is going to be willing to pay 30 bucks for this little headband. Maybe $10, maybe 15 at most, but you're not going to have the biggest margins. So maybe not this headband. So let's keep on scrolling down. So yeah, we definitely don't want to sell like basic stuff like this, like bras, underwears. It's like all this stuff is just basic stuff that you could just find somewhere at Walmart and whatnot. Okay, so perfect. So this thing right here, these leggings. Now this is definitely a more unique product. It's moving 500 plus units in a week. It has sold 8,000 units total, and it is currently $3.66 a piece. Now, I'm not sure if that's including shipping, so let's click on this and see what the price actually is. So it's $458, one size. free shipping, I guess, via China Ordinary Post. Now, you do have to keep in mind it is COVID-19 season right now, so shipping rates are completely fucked. If you don't have a private supplier or your own logistics line, shipping times are going to be very slow. There's not going to be a lot of available shipping methods, so it's going to be quite hard for you to secure a reliable line that's not too expensive. So as you can see over here, you got Aliexpress standard shipping, 13 to 20 days. This will probably be your best bet. Now, this could even run into issues, so you do have to let your customers know that there might be some delays on their product if they buy from your store because of the COVID-19 stuff. And most people do understand that. Some of my stores I'm still currently selling out of China, and I get a lot of emails every day about where is my product, how long is it going to take, and we either refund people if it's taking too long, or we respond to them very quickly and let them know that there's some slight delays with their product or additional shipping delays because of the current issues. And most people are understanding if you tell them or if you reply to them fast enough and you're honest up front, because everyone does understand that the world is going through a massive crisis and things are not the same right now. So let's take a look at what the price is with the new shipping. So then if you add on 211 plus 458, now you're looking at about $7 for these leggings. And I think these unique leggings could sell for around $25, maybe even $30. So then you're looking at least a 300% profit margin. So this could be a very good product potentially to sell. Now let's take a look at the reviews over here. And it looks like people really like the product. 88% positive reviews, 7% 4 stars, very minimum 3-star, 2-star, and 1 stars. So this does look like a very good product to sell. So overall, I think this is a great product. Let's go back into Seller Pulse and then take a look at a few more things over here. So 8,500 orders sold altogether. This is just telling you the different types of dropshippers and how many orders each of these guys are placing. And then they even have a video for you, I guess. Wow, so yeah, I really love this video. It's very engaging. That's a video from Taobao, so that's actually perfect. It's a video from Taobao. Most likely you could probably use it because it's probably from another Chinese supplier. But you should definitely do your background check on it. I can't guarantee that every video is copyright free. So the next thing I want to look at over here is the different types of stores selling this product. All right, wow, and there is a lot of stores. Holy shit, there's a lot of stores selling this product right now. So let's take a look at a few of these and see what they're calling this. This one has a privacy error. That's not good. This one is a generic AliExpress ripoff. Nope. This one looks like they spent a little bit more time, but it does not look that good, so I'm not going to even bother. This one looks a little bit better. I'm not exactly sure how many units they're selling, but as you can see, they're selling it for $24, almost at the $25 price point that I recommended. Same store, same store. Take a look at a few more of these stores. Holy shit, this one, it's very messy. Let's get out of this one here. $60. Wow, that is very overpriced, and I don't think they're really selling much if they're trying to sell this for $60. Let's close out of this one. This store is also not done very well. God, most of these stores are just so ugly. Okay, nope. Definitely nope. So it's like most of these stores, I would not want to replicate any of their marketing strategy here because it does not look that good. Okay, now we're talking. This one's looking a lot better over here. Mandala leggings. Okay. They're missing a description, but I do like the product imagery here. And this one is looking okay. This one is offline. So in the case of these leggings here, if I wanted to sell these leggings, what I would do is I can make a niche like a legging store because I do know that women love leggings. So I could potentially make like a small woman's niche fashion store and have a bunch of different leggings on the store. I'm pretty sure that this store, whatever store is selling these leggings, they probably have a bunch of different a bunch of different variants on these leggings. So let's take a look at their top selling. And it looks like they got these leggings here, 8,500 orders. They got these. Oh, wait. So they have so many different styles right here, as you can see. So you can literally make a niche legging store where you just have a bunch of cool looking 3D leggings. And you could even bundle offer the leggings where it's like if you buy two, you can get two for 50. If you buy one, it's 30. If you buy four, it's like 80. You know, you can bundle offer it so people buy multiple designs because it's not just one black legging, right? Each of these are unique designs. So people will definitely want to get more than one pair of leggings. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go to AdSpy and look for some other people selling these leggings so that we can get some ideas as to how to market it. What's really cool though is that they offer you this free video here, and I just realized their store is called Zora, and the package right here is also called Zora, which means you can definitely use this video content. And this is a really good video. Yeah, like I think this is a really good video, and they're already providing you with such a good advertising asset. So if you did a couple of your custom edits to this video, it would be very likely for you to be able to sell this product. Anyways, let's go into AdSpy then and look for these leggings and see if we can find anybody else selling the maybe 3D leggings, and see if we can find anybody else selling these leggings. So we see these 3D football leggings. These are some, I don't know what kind of leggings these are. They're definitely not the same leggings, but it does seem like there's a lot of people selling different types of leggings. We got steampunk leggings. I think these were the 3D leggings that we saw earlier. There's mermaid leggings. So yeah, I mean, it seems like there's a lot of people trying to sell these leggings. 2018, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2020. So that was 3D leggings. Now I'm not exactly sure what the keyword is to find more legging stores, because it's quite hard to find exact 3D leggings, especially because people are going to call them different names. So let's keep looking around though and see if we can find some. So yeah, it looks like most of these are just generic leggings. And then finally we come across some nice 3D print leggings called BOGO leggings. But it doesn't look like the store is actually doing that well, so I'm not going to really look into that. Now we got this store over here. As you can see, they're doing pretty good. They're marketing to the US, 3,000 likes, 194 comments. So they wrote hot selling fitness leggings up to 50% off, extra 10% off on the first order. So yeah, as you can see, it doesn't seem like they're not really doing much, right? All they're doing is showing you all these different designs, telling you that it's on sale, and boom, they have a profitable product, and it looks like it's doing pretty damn well. So let's take a look at their store and see if we can start to replicate some of their marketing. And it also does seem like they're only marketing to the US over here, and both of these advertisements are doing good. They just happen to be testing different designs in this ad versus this ad and trying to figure out which design is going to sell the best. So let's click on this over here and open up the Facebook post. Now let's click on this over here and also open up the Facebook post. Oh wow, this is doing great. And this is also doing great. Jeez, okay, so let's click on shop now over here and see. Oh, and they got 6,000 page likes. That's quite a lot. Unless they bought fake ones, this is quite a lot of page likes if it's real. And the page was created on March 11th, so it hasn't been running for that long. But it does seem like they're relatively pretty profitable. And so if you take a look here at their pricing, they're actually selling these for $17, which is very low. If you saw if we took a look at the pricing earlier from, if I could find it, from here, it's 449 plus free shipping right here at the bottom. But that's using China ordinary post, right? So like if this Corona stuff wasn't happening and logistics were fine, then I think you selling it for $17 would still give you like a 3 to 4x profit margin. But because right now it's COVID, and if you're shipping out of China, your margins are going to be cut in like half because, as you can see right here, the shipping cost is $2, which means it's not just 449. It's not 450 anymore. Now you're paying like 650, $7 probably. And if you're selling it for 15 or $17, you're only making about a 2x return. So maybe for you, it would be best to go for like 19.95. But if you wanted to, or if you had some more experience, then you could go to like Alibaba, source them yourself for very cheap, stock it up in the US, have customers pay a flat shipping rate when they buy multiple units, and then also have the same $17 price point. But regardless, as you can see, this is obviously working for this person. They're selling these leggings. And I think they did take custom photos for their own leggings. And let's take a look at some of the products. I really like the way they have the page laid out. It's very upfront, as in you go to the website and boom, you're already on the leggings. And this page over here, they got their little sizing chart down here, specifications on the product. And I mean, I think overall the website's pretty nice. I'm just really surprised at the way they price their products. I don't exactly know how they're managing their margins, but yeah, I think this basically shows me that this product is going to work just based around this one store that we found, that this guy is selling it successfully to the US. We should be able to take this product ourselves and sell it successfully to the US if our advertising strategy, our site, and our logistics are on point. So yeah, guys, I think that's going to be a great product to sell if you want to give it a shot. But I would also say maybe don't give it a shot because there might be too many people trying to sell this now. Now that I've done this little product research method using Seller Pulse, maybe a lot of people will go out there and try to sell these leggings. So it might not be the best option to sell it. But if there was only a couple of people selling it, then I think it would definitely be okay to give this a shot right now. So yeah, anyways, guys, that's about it for the Seller Pulse product research method. There's a lot of products on here that you could find, not just the leggings. There's literally hundreds, thousands of products you could sell. So go out there, check out each of these different categories, find a product that you like, do the research for it using all of these different tools down here. Then go on AdSpy to get some ideas for the advertisements, see if you can actually sell the product, dive into people's stores and analyze their store and see what they're doing to make a successful store, and then find successful products of your own and find some success in dropshipping. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.